morning guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Renata. I'm a mum of two. I live in Auckland in New Zealand and I don't really know what I'm doing on YouTube again, but I'm posting vlogs. It's Monday today. We are still getting into our new routine of having my 2-year-old home, but I am meant to be doing some work today. My mum has recently just moved nearer to us. It's been really awesome because now she can help a little bit with childcare, which has been so helpful. The school day is 9 till 3 and a work day is typically like 9 till 5 or 9 till 6. It's just such a juggle. I think all working parents feel this, but I'm very lucky to be self-employed. I posted a vlog recently that was a week in my work life. Heaps of work to do before my mum gets back with my toddler. I will be hanging out with him for the rest of the day. So it is a beautiful day here in Auckland. The sun is shining. I'm looking at our glass windows with lots of little handprints all over them, thinking they really need a clean. We've also been making matcha at home. Josh normally makes it, although I think I am getting better. Josh does a very good job. Okay, work time. Do you think we should bake a banana bread for Gaia for her birthday? And the other thing that we can use is... I was optimistic about how much time I had for that and it's now school pickup. So we'll try and finish it with 2 helpers when we get back. He's upstairs in his office working. Do you want to try this new yogurt? It's Epic Greek Vanilla Bean, dairy-free yogurt. Is 250 grams the same as 250 mils? Mixing in the flour. So let's hope for the best. Dump truck out Gaia's window. It's Tuesday morning. We are down at the beach today, having some fresh air. Okay. You want me to hold it? Should I come feed the birds with you? I'm remembering why it's so hard to vlog with kids. We have been down at the beach this morning having like the best time, just quality one-on-one time. Just a really lovely morning. I think also having the time outside is really good for everybody's like mental health and sleep, and not that I'm ever going to be into, well, I hope I'm never going to be into like giving parenting advice on the internet, but one of the things that I really live by, the importance of like unhurried time in nature or outside for kids, just really having that like totally unhurried time where they can just explore and potter, and it's such a good sensory experience as well. You know, people spend so much money on like sensory bins and things like that, and you know, colourful rice and sand pits at home, and we're so lucky to live this close to nature, I guess. They're putting the boat back onto the trailer. There's like a part of me that really thinks about an alternative life where we homeschool, and I think about that all the time, and the amount of time that we would have with our kids and the amount of time that they would have together and how special that is. Having 2 days together in the weekend is just not enough. I just feel so unbelievably grateful that this is our life, that we live in a place where we can access a beach like this. It's so beautiful here and it's free and we can come here anytime, and yeah, that this is our life and that we're raising our kids here, that I have a job that is flexible and allows me to have not be in an office. This is my much loved cup of my daughter as a baby in her toy fox. Not the best quality anyway. I'm gonna make a cup of tea. I'm also gonna have the pie that I got at the beach cafe. This is the roast vegetable one, and this is the vegetarian chili one. Josh and I have gone half and half. I honestly believe that these are the best pies in Auckland. One of the best pies I've ever had. Not just in Auckland, in my whole life in the world. One of my daughter's favorite foods is red bean bao buns, and she asked if after school we could go and get red bean bao buns. So I think we're going to do that this afternoon. This is our Tuesday. I'm not sure how much else I will get to share this afternoon. I also just finished a really good book. I don't know if anyone's interested in book chat, but I just finished reading Yesteryear. I got a Kobo for my birthday, and honestly, it's upstairs, but it's such a game changer of how much I read. I feel like every time I'm putting my kids to bed now and they're falling asleep, I can just read next to them. I'm not having to turn pages. I don't need a light on. It's just really helpful. I have read 22 books this year, which for me is a lot. Maybe not for anyone else, but for me personally, that's a lot. So I'm part of a book club. The book club is with some high school friends of mine, and we basically wanted an excuse to catch up every month, because as adults with kids and lives and work and everything else, it's so hard to find time for your friends and to see them, you know, on a regular basis. So I'm really excited for that. Our book club's at the end of the month. So I'm going to start my next book. Thank you for joining us for the day. I'm going to go eat my pie quickly before I have to go and get my toddler, because I can hear him waking up. Red bean bao bun.
Why are they green?
Yeah, nice. And I bet it's really nice to be. That would be amazing. Anna, come down here and help me sort out the library books to go back. I'm just going to get all of these books out that are going back to the library. Where's the ball going? It's falling. Bonk on someone's head. Where's the ball going? It's diving. Splat into the mud. Splash. Oh, too late. I had a 9 o'clock call this morning that cancelled, and so I have gone for a walk. I'm really hoping this microphone works. I borrowed it from a friend. I tried to film a week in our life vlog last week. We all ended up getting sick. My daughter ended up being off school, and safe to say I did not really film the end of the week. But it did make me reflect a lot on the fact that I have created a job that is totally flexible, and if my kids are sick, I can be home with them. I don't have to ask a boss for time off, which is such a massive thing. Although I feel like in New Zealand, most employers are pretty accommodating of your kids being sick, illnesses, working from home if you need to, things like that. If you're employed in New Zealand, let me know if this is your experience or not. But I do just feel incredibly grateful. And even today, the fact that I had a meeting cancel and I'm able to go for a walk in a really beautiful setting, not far from where we live. I feel like in New Zealand, you're never that far from nature, which is one of my favorite things about living here. And just to be able to have a walk for my mental health, get out, stretch my legs, move my body, and only be gone for like half an hour if that's all I have, just feels like such a privilege that I hope I never take for granted. If you watched my recent video about getting monetized on YouTube, you'll know that I don't earn a lot from YouTube. This is definitely not my full-time job, but content in general is my full-time job alongside my tech startup, which is Roam with Kids. It's an app for exploring New Zealand. Shameless plug. And sometimes I feel a certain type of way when I'm talking to people about the fact that that is my job. I think a lot of judgment comes with posting your life online or being like a content creator or whatever you want to call it. I hate the word influencer, but I do earn money from sponsored posts on mostly Instagram. And I also have my definition of a dream partnership coming up later in the year, which will be my biggest content job yet. And I'm just feeling so intensely grateful that this is my life, that I've been able to create this. And I feel like I worked so hard for so many years without seeing any benefits from it, without seeing any income. And now finally, I feel like I'm getting into a really good place with it. And so YouTube really is just for fun. Like I don't get enough views here to earn like a lot of money. It's strange for me because on Instagram, my videos mostly do well for me. I get maybe 10,000 views on a video on average, and I'm always quite happy with that, but it's very consistent. And so putting so much more time into YouTube, it takes way longer than Instagram or short form, and only getting 100 or 200 or 300 or even 400 views, it's definitely very humbling, but good job. I'm just doing this for fun. I might try to do a few more videos about life in New Zealand that I think will perform well, although It's not the content I love making. The content I love making is this kind of content, vlogs, sharing our life. This is really what I enjoy making because I enjoy looking back on it and I enjoy watching the videos and seeing a snippet of our life and what was going on. But I feel like it's quite rare to get to that stage where people follow you on YouTube purely just to see what you're up to. Maybe I'm wrong. But either way, I am super glad to be back here. I am really enjoying making YouTube videos again. It feels like a creative outlet for me. I really, really love it. And if you have made it this far and if you have watched this whole video, thank you so much. I have so many ideas of videos I want to make on this channel. So stick around, click subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.